Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. But first, as you can probably tell, I am in a new space. I have officially moved to my new craft space, and I know I've talked about moving a lot, and that's because we did move a lot, but we're in our final destination now, and I'm really excited to share the new space with you guys as soon as it's set up. But since there has been a lot happening, if you guys have any questions, I will be filming a Q&A very soon for you guys, so leave any questions you have that you want me to answer down below. They can be crafty, they can be lifestyle, they can be anything, and I'll address them in that video. But while my craft room is being set up, I am filming something that's very exciting, and that's this announcement video. So in June, July, and August, I am premiering something called Summer of Stories. Now this might be a little elusive title, so you guys might want to know more. Of course, that's why I clicked on this video, and I'm happy to report that I am very excited about this idea. As you guys might know, my channel's been pretty much the same for a couple of months now. I do How to Kill a Kit with Style every month, where I create a kit of some sort and share the process videos with you guys about using that kit. And while I'll keep doing that, so each month will still have my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit in it, these months are a little bit different in regular, like the process video style that I'll be sharing. So every Tuesday and Thursday throughout the summer, I will be posting process videos. Now these won't be ordinary process videos. They'll be specific process videos about storytelling, and a little bit more specific is they'll be in alphabetical order. So I'll be telling stories. A, B would be the first week, C and D would be the second week. Stories revolving around words that begin with those letters. And if you guys are interested in seeing real-time process videos, you'll be able to head over to my Patreon, which I'll have linked down below, and you guys can subscribe there and see real-time process videos, at least one every week, and learn a little bit more about my storytelling process, you know, my idea for where I'm going to put my journaling, just a little bit more of a overall design process when I'm actually working on a layout, which I know some people really enjoy. So I will be posting those over on Patreon. Every month on my Patreon, I do a story starter, and that's where we pick one topic and expand it out into all these stories you could tell, really asking ourselves questions about things we remember from our childhood, things that our children might know more about that we don't, that we might want to document. And if you guys, again, are interested in that, I'll have my Patreon linked below. But don't worry, you guys might be thinking, what happens on Saturdays on this channel? Because I do upload Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So while Tuesdays and Thursdays remain process videos, you know, now featuring the alphabet and using my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit like we normally do, Saturdays will be a bit different this summer. As you guys already know, I did recently move, and now I'm in a location where there's a ton of fun stuff to do. So I will be vlogging for you guys, and there'll be a new vlog every Saturday this summer. And if you guys like that, maybe we'll continue it, but we'll see. So as the Summer of Stories progresses throughout the summer, I'll be sharing my stories with you in a video format, you know, not necessarily documenting my stories, but how I'm living my stories as well. Because I think oftentimes as scrapbookers, we get caught up in the everyday life, and we go through the motions every day of every week, and we often don't do or make time for fun things because we think scrapbooking is the most fun, which it is, but we need more memories to document. So I'm asking you guys to have some adventures with me, and while maybe scrapbooking only happens on the weekends for you, maybe you could do something during the weekdays. But my Saturdays will be for fun on this channel, and I'll be uploading a vlog every Saturday this summer, so you guys can be really excited about that. Now you might be wondering what these vlogs are about. Back in March, I talked about how I went on a wonderful cruise vacation and that I vlogged it all. So you'll be finding those vlogs here this summer. They're very tropical since we went down to the Caribbean and such. So if you guys are interested in those, definitely subscribe for more. And I know I have several Disney fans on this channel, and don't worry, there'll be Disney vlogs as well. I already have a couple lined up that I need to finish editing that I can release to you guys. And there'll be a few extra vlogs over on my Patreon, the ones that are a little bit more mundane or that are a little bit less higher quality production will be over on my Patreon. Now, these other vlogs can also contain things like crafty shopping with me. Sometimes weeks are busy and I might not get a full vlog done, or something that's not exciting, but I do find craft shopping exciting, and there are Tuesday mornings near me that I haven't been to yet, so I'll be certain to document those for you guys as well to share with you, because that's a story within itself, and that'll be my Saturday story for one of these weeks. But let me know what you guys are starting to think about this process. I just want to inspire you guys that the summer is a time for fun. I know a lot of you have kids that are now out of school or are doing summer camps, And if you're a teacher yourself, now you have some free time that you can spend doing some fun things. But this is a summer of documenting your stories, telling your stories, and also living your stories. So be prepared for a fun June, July, and August, and be sure to stay tuned for more. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll be filming a Q&A, and if you have any questions about just the summer of stories, leave them down below as well, because I'd be happy to answer those. There will also be some coordinating blog posts throughout the summer of stories that'll help guide you along, especially at the start here, until we get the swing of things. I know it'll be a little hard for me to work on this new format, but I hope the blog posts will help you along, and you can find those at grayflorals.com, which will also be linked in the description box down below. But really, I hope you guys enjoyed this announcement, are excited to see what's coming. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm always curious if you guys are excited about these new ideas. And since we're doing a summer theme here, we'll be having a summer block of content. That means that we'll be doing something fun in the fall as well. So be prepared for that announcement coming later in August. And keep your mind open to ideas. If you guys have any ideas of things you want to see as the summer progresses, please leave them down below on the videos that come along, and keep your mind open for what could happen in the fall as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this announcement, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!